Dear students, it is very important to understand the key concepts in recruitment and selection. Without knowing these basic concepts, it is hard to understand the in-depth concepts of recruitment and selection. So the first concept is, what is an HR planning? HR planning is the process of deciding what positions the firm will have to fill and how to fill them. There are two parts of this definition. In the first part, we have to decide what positions the firm will have to fill, what kind of candidates we are looking for, and how to fill them. We need to know the procedures of filling such vacancies. We need to know about the supply and demand of the workforce in HR planning. The next most important and core concepts in this course is recruitment. The recruitment is the process of seeking and attracting a pool of qualified applicants from which candidates for job vacancies can be selected. Again, two parts. In the first part, we need to attract a pool of qualified applicants. We need to create a pool of qualified applicants. And why we need to create a pool of qualified applicants? So we can fill the job vacancies. And that is quite important, because if we don't have a pool of candidates, we cannot find a suitable candidates for our job vacancies within the firm. Another concept, key concept, is selection. Selection is the process of choosing from a group of applicants the best qualified candidates. This is a process of choosing. We have to choose from a pool of candidates, and we have to choose the best one, the person who is matching with our expectation. Another key concept is an interview. It is a job interview. An interview is a selection procedure designed to predict future job performance on the basis of applicants' verbal and non-verbal responses to verbal inquiries. Again, two parts. In the first part, we are designing an interview, and the purpose is to predict future job performance, how the candidate would perform in job. But how it is possible? It is possible by asking verbal inquiries. And the candidates would answer it in two ways. It can be verbal, it can be non-verbal. And based on both verbal and non-verbal responses, we can make selection decisions. There is another concept. This is called as an orientation. An employee orientation is an initial process that provides easy access to the basic information, programs, and services, and it allows new employees to take an active role in their organization. Again, two parts. In the first part, we are orienting employees. We are giving access to them. We are giving access to the basic information about the organization. We are giving access about the basic policies and procedures of the organization, its structures, its programs, its services. And why we are giving them basic information? We are giving basic information so that new employees can take an active role in their organization as soon as possible. If we will delay this process, the employees would not be able to take an active role, and it would not be able to work in a progressive way and in more comfortable way. So orientation is a very important process in the recruitment and selection procedures.